Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Haley.
I'm Jenna, and today we're going to be checking out the Rains in Heaven music video by NCT Dream. We're super excited. We've been waiting for this one. We have been warned that we may need some tissues when we watch this, so we have them on standby, just in case. But I really don't know what to expect from this video.
I don't know, but I'm so happy we get to see Renjun in this.
I know, me too.
I'm sad he's not going to be touring, but I'm happy he's like in the music video and the promotions and everything else for this comeback.
Me too.
So that makes me feel like he's feeling a little better. That makes me happy.
Is this going to be part of a full album?
I think it's just a single. Well, I don't know. Let me check Spotify and see. You liked that, didn't you?
Loved it.
Yeah, it says it's a single.
Well, should we just get into it?
Yes, I'm ready to hear some amazing vocals.
Oh my god, I know.
I'm so excited.
I'm nervous for tears.
In the morning when you wake up,
Oh, Lord.
thinking about how you wanna run away from here, wanna cry and disappear. There's something that you need to hear. Every night you become my sky, 'cause when
I love the blonde.
I do too.
you don't believe it. There's something that you need
So
to see.
cute.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
I know that you feel all, I know that you lost all hope, but I am always by your side. We are all the same, but we're different. I have when you cry, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it.
Aww.
Oh my god.
Step by step, stay on to the next song.
Oh no, don't fight.
No regrets. Oh, don't ever let go. I wanna hold you.
No.
Adore you. Just let me show you.
Ooh.
Heaven shine. Let's go. We ain't ever looking back. No, don't let any of our past just us down. You know.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, Renjun.
I'm trying.
Are you gonna cry?
I'm trying to hold it in.
Remember the reason of love. Told me that you won't give up. Falling, we walk, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now. Falling like a shooting star. Hit you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Aww.
Oh no.
Don't cry.
Oh god.
Yes, I do.
okay.
They were correct. Oh, they got me. They got me. It's fine.
At least you made it through the video.
I did. I made it to the end. It's
You
fine.
did good.
I'm fine.
Was it Jamin that sent you over there?
Yeah. Yeah. It was. Can't see him cry.
And you know, it's probably like eye drops.
Probably, but
He's
it got
probably-
me.
He'd see this reaction like, ha, gotcha.
I'm the emotional one.
That was, I want to hear Hey Chan's high note again. That was a,
Oh, man. Like, gorgeous.
that was beautiful.
The lyrics
Mm-hmm.
were so meaningful. I can't.
Like all of them, it was amazing. And the visuals too were so good, like of the music video.
Just everything about this was perfect. Amazing lyrics, gorgeous vocals. The shots were beautiful.
Hey Chan's high note.
I know, where was
And
that?
Renjin looked so happy in the video. It made me emotional seeing him how happy he
I
was.
know, and he
Ji
looks
Sung's
good.
beautiful voice. Mm.
The same, but hurting.
No.
Mm.
Friends in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms. In my arms. Keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change. How I think I love the way you are. The way you are.
Remember the reason to love. Told me that you won't give up. Falling, we walk, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now. Falling like a shooting star. Hit you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call.
'Cause I'll be there. We are all the same, but different. I hope when you cry, raising heaven. No, I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms. Only in my arms. Keep your heart.
I don't want to pause it.
All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change. How I think I love the way you are. The way you are. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
It's so good. He's so beautiful.
Okay, I can't take it anymore.
You're going.
To be completely honest with you, this makes me feel like Turbulence.
Mm.
Like, I rarely listen to Turbulence because it will make me cry. So I have a feeling that I will rarely listen to this song because it will make
Be
me
like
so
Turbulence.
emotional.
I get that. That makes sense.
Yeah.
But also, there's a good chance we get to hear them perform this on tour. We'll have to bring tissues.
I guess I'll have to, like, desensitize myself to it
Yeah.
so I don't cry.
Exposure therapy.
Yeah, that's true.
It was so beautiful.
I know. I really like all their outfits too. They look so good. Let's get like a less crazy pose. Well, that works.
He's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I could stare at this all day.
I know you could. This is kind of what I expected it to be,
Mm-hmm.
just because we were pre-warned.
I was expecting it to be like a slower ballad kind of song, but I really like this one. It was still like very
Yeah.
like upbeat and snappy fingers.
It was. Like, to be honest, I didn't expect there to be any rap at all, but there was. But it was like that slower, more,
melodic kind of rapping.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
like, it fit in very well. but I didn't expect it. Especially when it started out with like Mark and Jeno doing vocals, so I didn't expect there to be rap. Jisung sounded good.
Yes. Yes, he did. And I got to hear some Renjin ad-libs in the back. It sounded so good.
I know.
Mark's vocals sounded really good in the beginning, too.
Yes, they did.
And Chenla's, like, all of
Always.
them, they just all sounded amazing. Look at him,
Look at
baby.
him. Oh, he's so sweet.
His hair is getting so long and pretty. So voluminous.
Looks healthy.
He looks healthy. He looks healthy and happy.
All right, we gotta get off of this sentimental train because, like, once the waterworks start, they're gonna keep going. Okay.
You know, this is like our first NCT Dream like comeback. Even though it's just a single, it's still like our first comeback. And I loved it. I can't wait to experience a full-on album comeback.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, we're gonna go nuts, probably. Yeah, I am too. I wonder if they'll have a new one come out before the end of the year.
I don't know. Oh, you still haven't shown me your light stick you got.
I still have to get batteries.
I'll say you could show them in the video your light stick
I
you
know.
bought.
I did get a light stick for the concert, but I was out of batteries.
I gotta order mine next week, along with the bag for the concert, some earbuds people recommended, and then, well, you bought a fan.
For a different purpose, but it will apply here.
Yes.
I could show them my Taeyong magazine, but that really wouldn't be appropriate here, would it?
I still need to look through it.
Yes, you do.
I need a Renjin poster to put back.
That would be nice.
We need a big NCT Dream one to put up somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Do we not have an NCT Dream poster at this point? Do we not have an ISTJ one?
Did you get the album? Then there's probably
I
one
got
in
that
there.
same one that you have.
Yeah, there's like a big one. I have it on my wall. I'm sitting on the stoop.
Okay. Well, that is all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. This song was gorgeous.
Beautiful song.
Absolutely beautiful. It took us out for sure. Leave comments below of your thoughts on the video, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.